Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Chrome web browser read any text or words present in any website. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly here I'm gonna show you on the respective computer. After that I will show you on the smartphones. So firstly on your respective computer, just open the Chrome web browser and in the address bar just search for chrome://flex. Just type this command and hit enter. And now on the search box just type read aloud and you will see one option here, reading mode read aloud. Now just click on this default option, just click on enable and click on relaunch. So finally we have enabled this option. Now say I have opened one website, right? So I want to make the Chrome web browser read all the text or words present on this website. So for this what I need to do is just click on this three dot icons on the right top corner and now just select this more tools and now just select this reading mode. And once your text or words are being loaded on the reading mode options, you can see here one play option. Just click on it.
Contents, Android operating system.
So right now you can see here by using this option I can make the Chrome web browser read any text or words. And the good thing here is that you can change even the voice here on this reading mode. You can select the female version also.
For touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets.
So you can see here. So now if you want to disable it, just move back to the same option which I have shown you earlier and just click on this enable option, click on default, click on relaunch. Now it will be disabled again. So now let us jump to the smartphone. Now on your respective smartphone just open the Chrome web browser again and on the address bar just search chrome://flex again and hit enter or go. And now on the address bar just search for read aloud and on the first list you will see the option. Just click on this default, click on enable, click on relaunch again. Now say I've opened one website here again, so I want to make the Chrome web browser to read all this text or words present in this website. So for this just click on this three dot icons, scroll down below, click on settings, now scroll down, now click on this toolbar shortcut. Now just select this listen to this page option and just move back. Now you will see the play icon just near to your address bar. Now just click on it. So now it will start reading like similarly on your respective computers. And if you want to disable again, just move back to the same options which I have shown you earlier and once again click on this enable, select this default, click on relaunch. Now it has been restored back. So by using these methods you can easily make Chrome web browser read any text or words present in any website very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.